Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today on the menu it's Karelay Gosht, which is bitter gourd and meat. A beautiful dish it is. Stay with me guys and I'll get straight into it. Okay guys, for this you're going to need 1 kg of meat. I'm using mutton meat and about 4 karelay or 4 bitter gourds. So what I'm going to do with the meat is, as usual, give it a boil. Put in cold water. As soon as it comes to the first boil, get rid of that water and wash and clean the mutton. Okay guys, the mutton's boiled. I've threw that water away, rinsed it, give it a clean. I'm going to put it in the pressure cooker now. Bismillah. Okay guys, after I put the meat in the pressure cooker, I'm going to put in 4 tomatoes cut in half. About 20 cloves, garlic cloves that is, whole cloves. About 2 onions cut up. And about 2 tablespoons of ginger, chopped ginger that is. And 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of zira, cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri powder. 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. And 2 cups of water. So that's the second cup of water. Give that a bit of a mix. Mix it well. Oh yes. Once you give it a good mix, put the top on and let it cook until it's virtually ready, about 90-95% ready. Okay guys, while the meat's getting cooked in the pressure cooker, I'm going to start getting the karelay ready. So I'm going to need about 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add about 4 karelay, the bitter gourds. I've cut them in bits and I've peeled, before I cut them up, I peeled the skin off so they're not as bitter as normal. So you'll cook them until they're a nice goldy brown. Okay, while these are getting a nice goldy brown, I'm just going to check the meat. It is done. I've turned it off. Let the steam out. I did check it once before as well. Give that a bit of mix. That's ready now. That's about 90% cooked. Yeah, look at that, nice and tender. So we just got to get the karelay ready now. You don't want to get them too brown, you want them just a nice goldy brown. If they're too dark, they don't look very nice in the dish, so you want them just a nice goldy brown. And that'll do them. They're a nice goldy brown now guys. You don't want them too dark like I said, so now I'm going to add 1 large onion cut up. And about 4 chilies, bullet chilies these are, cut in half. Okay, you'll cook these until you get the onions slightly, a slight brown. You don't want them too dark again, because they don't look very nice in the dish then. When they're nice and light, they look nice. Okay guys, the onions have changed colour. So that I'll do now. I'll take these out, put them in a plate. Okay, I'll put them to the side. I'm going to start cooking the meat now. Take it out of there, put it in the Karelay. Okay, once I put the meat in the Karelay, I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of oil. And give that a mix. And you'll cook it for about 5 minutes on here. On a full heat that is now. Okay guys, I've added the oil in. and I'm cooking it, so I'm just going to add a few more herbs and spices in it. 1 tablespoon of coriander, that's coriander crushed up. 1 tablespoon of anardana powder, pomegranate powder. You can put whole pomegranate seeds in if you want, but I prefer to use the powder. And 1 tablespoon of garam masala. I'll give it a mix. Make sure all them herbs and spices are nicely mixed in. Once you've got it all mixed in, I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes now. On a medium heat this is now. While cooking it, I forgot that I didn't add the turmeric powder in, so I'm going to add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder that is. It's been about 5 minutes of me cooking it. I'm going to cook it another further 5 minutes. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So I'm going to add 1 cup of coriander, fresh coriander that is. And I'm going to add the karelay and the onions in now with them chilies. And I'm going to turn that to low heat and I'll give it a mix. Look at that, absolute beautiful dish this is, guys. You gotta give this one a go. Hope you've tried most of my dishes. Please do if you haven't. Absolutely desi style this is. Amazing dishes. Okay, now I've added them karelay, the bitter gourds and the onions in. I'm going to cook it for a further 5 minutes and then that's it. Absolute amazing dish, guys. You need to try it. I know I keep on going on about it, but it's a beautiful dish. I mean, when you take the skin off the karelay, they ain't as bitter. And we didn't add much oil in while I was frying them. And if you add too much oil, that keeps them bitter as well. Okay guys, I've been cooking this for about 5 minutes now, since I put them onions and karelay in. And that's it now. I'm going to take it out and dish it out. Smell that. Beautiful dish it is. Look at it. Absolutely amazing. Smells beautiful that. And believe me, tastes absolutely awesome. MashaAllah guys, the Karelay Gosht is ready and it's come out absolutely perfect. Beautiful. So easy to do guys. Such a nice dish. Desi style Karelay Gosht. Please do have a go guys. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. And thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum.